Hello, I want to show you a technique today that can be used for a variety of things. Centering, attention span, body control, focus. It can be used for transitions, and it's a great tool for kids who need to be calmed down. It's a great beginning and an ending of the session, and it's called a Tibetan singing bowl. And here's how it works. Let's see if I can get it all in the picture here. Okay. The sound goes on for a while. The Tibetans use these for ritual, for meditation, for ceremony, to represent energy, matter turning into energy. They use them to clear the energy in a space. It's a great thing to do after a tense session to break up any static energy, or in between sessions is a regular thing to kind of clear the therapy space, and also it helps the therapist become centered and cleared and ready. So you can get these from different places online, from any Tibetan store. Certainly in New York City, they cost anywhere from $60 on up, and kids love them. And in order to do this, you have to have a certain level of concentration, but you're active in doing something, so it's a great way to build concentration. It's a fun technique. Try it out.